Wouldn't it be great to have a teleprompter every time you recorded with Riverside so you can have your script ready to go, automatically scrolling and making sure you don't make any mistakes in your webinar or solo video? Well, now Riverside has that too. Let me show you how to use it. I've logged into my Riverside account and let's jump into one of our studios. As always, I'm going to select my video, microphone, and speaker output. I'm going to use wired headphones to get the best recording, and then I'll click Join Studio. Now that I'm here in the Riverside studio, I'll actually look at the very bottom and you'll see multiple tools, including a new script option. When I click the script button, you'll see a new box appears above the videos that you're recording. Now I can start typing away or paste an entire script that I already have ready and edited somewhere else. Here I've pasted in a script, and if you need to, you can adjust the font size here, make it easier to edit. If there are certain words that you want to bold or italicize to make sure you emphasize that in your recording, you can do that as well. Now I can just leave this here to refer to as notes, or when I'm ready, I can use this as a teleprompter and actually read right here from the Riverside studio. If I click teleprompter mode, you'll now see it takes up the entire video window. I still have my font changes, bold, italic, underline, and I can edit the text if I need to. But you also see here timing controls, play, and then start over. For speed, I'm going to go on the slowest speed possible for right now. Maybe make the text just a little smaller. I can also put my mouse here in the bottom right corner and change the size if I want to see more of the script. And then when I'm ready, I can click the play button. And now it's going to scroll just like a teleprompter. And now I can record my video content, or maybe it's a webinar that you want to do live but still have something prepared. I can read it right here from the Riverside teleprompter. I can hit pause, and if I need to start over, I can click the arrow and it'll jump right back up to the top. Couple tips when using a script and teleprompter. Make sure you've edited the script to make sure there's no mistakes, and also read it one time out loud before you jump into the recording. Many times when you're actually saying the words out loud, it might sound a little funny or you see where you stumble, and then you can change it before you actually jump into the recording. Also, you always want to make sure your eyes are as close to the camera lens as possible when you're recording. This way you connect with your viewer and audience. While you will be reading the words here on the page, it's best to try and keep your eye here at the top line. And if you're using a webcam or a built-in camera on your computer, the camera is most likely at the top center of your screen. So do your best to kind of keep towards the top 2 or 3 lines of the script. Set that speed so you don't have to worry about it going too fast by you, and then your eyes will still be connecting with the audience. Then when I'm done using the script or teleprompter, I can just click the script button down at the bottom, and we're back to our normal Riverside Studio recording, which records locally video and audio in high quality for you and all your remote guests, and then you can bring those recordings into the Riverside editor where even more magic happens. And I mean literal magic, like our magic clips, where one click and we'll actually generate 5 to 7 clips 30 to 60 seconds long vertically with those captions on it, ready to share on social media. It uses AI to find the most engaging parts of your recording, and they're just ready to share. Or you can go in and edit a full-length video, podcast, or other content. You can edit by deleting portions of the transcript, use our zoom in on timeline feature to get precision edits down there with the audio waveforms. And yes, you can even customize those captions and correct the transcript, which also corrects the captions if there's any typos. If you'd like to learn more about all the exciting features coming to Riverside, I recommend you subscribe to the YouTube channel right here. We cover all the new features as they come out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below this video. We answer all of those there. And before you go, you should definitely check out this video right here. I think you'll really like it.